Hey, what's up guys? So I'm here at a laser testing event here in Florida, and they got a bunch of fun guns here on site, including a TruSpeed LR from LTI. It's one of the guns that I haven't had a chance to shoot yet. So just want to do a quick video kind of going over some of the features and what's maybe unique and different about this particular gun. So this is the TruSpeed LR. It's the long range version. It's similar to the original TruSpeed, but the maximum range goes from 2,000 feet up to 4,000 feet. That said, it can be kind of tough, we're finding in practice, to actually get locks on cars, especially at longer range, which is kind of ironic. We're noticing that like shooting this gun, it really wants a reflective surface. So like a license plate, headlight, taillight definitely helps. But if you're not like right on target, it's a little bit tougher to get a reading, which is going to be more true once the car starts getting like farther and farther away. There is a scope here on top, and it's got the ability to actually adjust the brightness, which is really nice. This isn't the zoomed in one, it's just a 1x scope. They also have a 2x scope, as well as a stock that you can get, which will definitely help when you're shooting it, especially at the longer ranges. Weight-wise, it seems to be a pretty light gun, which is really nice, especially for shooting it for longer durations. There's some anti-jamming technology that's actually pretty easy to defeat, but there is some built into the gun. If you take a look at some of the settings, you'll see the D for the laser jammer defeat option. Something else to note is the pulse pattern that the gun transmits is also different than the regular TruSpeed. It's actually the same thing that you'll see with like the TruCam. And so if you shoot it with certain laser jammers, you'll actually see this alert as a TruCam, even though it's a TruSpeed LR. So another fun fact. But with that said, let's go ahead and just kind of stick a camera up here to the viewfinder so you can see what it's like actually shooting this gun.